Introduction to the Cardiac Conditioning Remote Ischemic Conditioning Device. Hello everyone. Today I want to share a new medical gadget called the Cardiac Conditioning or Remote Ischemic Conditioning Device or RIC device. It sounds very professional, right? Don't worry, I'll explain it in simple terms. Why is this device needed? Every year, many people experience heart damage due to cardiac surgery or heart attacks. When blood flow is interrupted and then quickly restored, heart cells can suffer from reperfusion injury. This is similar to how a water pipe might get damaged if water is abruptly turned off and then suddenly turned back on. This damage can reduce heart function and may even cause complications. Current challenges. Doctors have been looking for ways to protect the heart, but the results have so far been limited. Because it's difficult to time the treatment precisely, and since heart injury can have many causes, there has never been a perfect solution. A new breakthrough. HeartCare RIC Blood Pressure Monitor. There is now an RIC blood pressure monitor worn on the arm that can measure your blood pressure and pulse while also performing cardiac conditioning through remote ischemic conditioning, RIC. It automatically inflates and deflates, temporarily blocking blood flow before restoring it. Although it sounds like a regular blood pressure measurement, its purpose is not just to measure blood pressure. It activates the body's protective mechanisms to help the heart better resist reperfusion injury. Usage scenarios. It can be used before, during, or after surgery. It can also be used after a heart disease event. Whether in the hospital, ambulance, or even at home, it can be used. Benefits. This is the world's first automated cardiac conditioning, remote ischemic conditioning, RIC blood pressure monitor. For healthcare professionals, it saves time by reducing manual tasks. For patients, studies show it can significantly lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Using it before surgery enhances the effectiveness even more. In simple terms, it acts like a protective coat for your heart. Summary. Although this cardiac conditioning, remote ischemic conditioning, RIC blood pressure monitor may seem like it only inflates and deflates, the science behind it helps reduce heart damage. For patients, it can be a simple yet effective tool for overall body repair and protection. Healthy RIC sphygmomanometer. It doesn't just measure blood pressure, it also helps keep the heart and body healthier. This is the healthy RIC sphygmomanometer. Why is a blood pressure monitor important? In Taiwan, 1 in every 4 people has high blood pressure. Even more concerning is that many people don't realize their blood pressure is too high. High blood pressure increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. That's why regularly measuring your blood pressure is very important. What makes the healthy RIC sphygmomanometer unique? A typical blood pressure monitor can only measure the blood pressure pulse. Besides measuring blood pressure, the healthy RIC sphygmomanometer can do something remarkable. It activates the body's self-protective mechanisms. What is the principle behind it? It features an automated cuff that wraps around the arm. The cuff inflates and deflates, temporarily blocking blood flow before allowing it to return. This process is called cardiac conditioning or remote ischemic conditioning, abbreviated as RIC. Although it sounds simple, it activates the body's protective mode to help the heart and brain resist damage. What are the benefits? Studies have shown that RIC can reduce complications in patients undergoing heart surgery or living with heart disease. It helps the heart reverse remodeling, gradually restoring its healthy structure and function. Not only does it protect the heart, but it can also slow aging, improve metabolism, and even boost the effectiveness of cancer treatments. In simple terms, it's a new scientific approach to health and wellness. How do you use it? Just like measuring blood pressure, wrap the cuff around your arm. After pressing the RIC button, it will automatically cycle through inflation and deflation. The process is safe and simple and doesn't require a doctor to operate. It can be used at home, in hospitals, and even in ambulances. Summary. The healthy RIC sphygmomanometer not only measures your blood pressure and pulse, but also helps strengthen the heart, slow down aging, and protect vital organs across the body. This is a scientific wellness approach that activates the body's self-repair capabilities. Health is not accidental. It can be protected through science. With the healthy RIC sphygmomanometer, we not only track your blood pressure and pulse, but also activate your body's natural protective mechanisms. Let's make healthcare simpler and more effective together. Future outlook. If the RIC blood pressure monitor becomes widely used, home health care will be more than just monitoring. It will be active protection. This could change how we think about managing our health. The healthy RIC sphygmomanometer does more than just measure blood pressure. It can become a daily heart protection tool for your home. In the future, could we rely on this technology to make healthcare simpler and more scientific? Do people truly believe that healthy medicine and RIC can promote wellness? Hurry and purchase a healthy RIC sphygmomanometer to enhance your health every day. Don't forget to scan the QR code. Thank you all for watching. I am Dr. Andrew Shu Lee. Until next time.